In front of me is Lenovo Yoga Tab Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Security and Privacy. Then you need to scroll down, hit Privacy, select Permission Manager and tap on any of your device's features you wish to manage. Then tap on one of your apps, select one of those options and go back. You can also select See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those, only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!